In this video, I'm going to show you how I use the Magna Hoops 8-in-1 magnetic hoop set to hoop and stitch these small Vera Bradley cosmetic bags. I was having trouble hooping these smaller bags with my other hoops because I couldn't get the hoop inside of them. Once I found this Magna Hoops set, it was a game changer. The set includes 8 individual magnetic hoops that come in various sizes, all made for small, odd-shaped items like these bags, socks, sleeves, etc. You can see that I put sticky stabilizer on the base of the hoop. Probably didn't need it because of the plastic lining of this bag, but I just wanted to create a little bit more of a stable platform for the bag to sit on. Once I got the frame or the hoop all set up on the bag, I put it onto the larger frame and it just screws on with this big black screw. I have found that you can float items on these hoops as well using binder clips, which has turned out to be a pretty good solution for some of these smaller bags as well. Once I got the hoop onto my machine, I traced the item just to make sure it would fit within this small 3x4 space, and it did. And then I traced it out, made sure that the bag was around the arm, and I started the stitching. The only problem I have found with these small hoops and these bags that are not very sturdy is that the hoop tends to bounce pretty badly when it's on the machine. So what I have found is that I lower the stitch speed to the lowest setting, which is 400 on my Elna 940 machine, which is also the same as the Janome machine. I will also stand at the machine and hold the hoop with my hands like that, just to help to minimize some of the bouncing. Unfortunately, on this bag, I walked away thinking that it was going to be fine, and it skipped a stitch, which you'll see here in the end. That is where I also found using binder clips has helped to minimize the stitch skipping, because you'll see that it still bounces pretty bad. But keeping the machine on the lowest stitch setting helps, and you can see there where the stitch skipped. This next bag, I held the bag in place with some binder clips. I did not use any stabilizer, but here on this bag, I floated it and used binder clips.